Hi and welcome to my channel. It's so beautiful to have you here, and after today's video you'll be so amazed that you can do those things on your own for free. But before we go into today's business, I will need you to subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell to enable others to have access to this video. You can also drop a comment on the comment section below. Without wasting your time, let me show you how you can extract email and phone numbers from files and documents offline using a simple email and phone number extracting software. Okay, here is the software interface. We have file, tools, help, and we have add file, add folder. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to be using add file. Okay, you just click on add file. It will take you right to the files you want to extract emails or phone numbers from. But for this video, we are going to be extracting only emails. Okay, we have to start with this PDF file. Okay, you just click on it and open. Once you open, it will start extracting. Okay, you see it's undergoing a process. Please wait. It's processing. Now you are done processing. You can see below it we have file. We have one file. We have total emails 31. We have duplicate email 1, and we have unique email 30. Filtered email 0. We have not filtered it yet. So if you want to extract folder from folders, you just click on folder. Let's clear this first. Clear list. Now let's extract from folder. Here's the folder we want to use. You just click on it. Okay. You see we have a lot of documents here. You have to load. If they are not checked, you have to check them. Then you load. You can see it's undergoing a process. Once the process is completed, it will automatically show you the number of emails, unique emails that are embedded in those files or those documents. Once the processing is completed, you have to save extracted list. Okay, but meanwhile, on these select options, you have to click on auto remove duplicate so that you will not have duplicate emails in the emails you extracted. Okay, now we have to save extracted list. You just click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask if you want to save number. Now we want to save email, not numbers. So you go back to the you click on email list. Then you go back to save extracted list again. You click on it. You see save emails. Yes, you want to save emails as CSV file. You say save. Okay, you now give it a name, the name you want to save your file with. Let's say we want to save it with extracted emails. Okay, you are saving this to your desktop. So you click on save. Okay, we've saved it. You can now go to your desktop now and open. Okay, let's click quickly open our desktop. Let's go to our desktop and open the file. The file is in Excel format. Okay, here is the extracted email. You can open it. These are the emails we just extracted. That's how beautiful it is. You can now filter those emails if you want to. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and drop a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.